Welcome to our creative developmental session. So today we have Jogeshwari Bavardar who will be doing a creative activity on how to sketch basic facial details. Jogeshwari,
Yeah, ma'am.
welcome Jogeshwari. So could you please turn on your camera and introduce yourself, and then you can continue with the session.
Yeah, ma'am. So, hi, it's again Jogeshwari Barokar, and our today's topic for webinar is the facial details with charcoal pencil. So, let's get started with the video. Ma'am,
Yes,
screen visible
Jogeshwari,
hai?
it is. Students, if you're not able to see the video clearly, you
So,
can magnify it, you
uh,
can zoom it on your own
as you can see,
respective screens.
yeah, ma'am. Screen can be zoomed. So, guys, as you can see, I have started first of all from an eyebrow. Later, move towards the eye, and the middle portion is the eyeball and the iris, which you guys have to draw it pretty lightly, so you can erase it later if you mistakenly draw it wrong. The portion of nose uh, is a pretty basic. This is a pretty basic for drawing the nose. Draw a simple circle to just to identify the nostrils. I have drawn here pretty dark, so you can see it clearly. You guys just draw pretty slight lines to just measure the basic portion. In case of eyebrows, there is a particular specific direction for drawing a hairs. I'm erasing here all portions so I can easily render with charcoal pencil. You just start with drawing. You can just start with drawing it slightly. So this is the basic direction. First is straight, latter one is slightly slope, and the end is uh, fully fully cross. From the beginning, you saw I draw a basic box or column for the identification that we can easily uh, give the stroke for that hairs. I will suggest sharpener is not a better option. So just pretty slightly with this portion. You have to draw the iris pretty darker from the other areas. There are various types of charcoal pencil available in market. Uh, you can choose it as per your choice. Don't use blending stump or charcoal chalks or stick. they are pretty messy. This is nothing special tool, but just the only earbud. Good option for blending stump. Just blend it slowly, that you get the perfect shade for the eyeball. Again, start start um, start making it dark. That the first we draw. This is a basic line for leads. The corner in the starting of eye that you see here is a tear duct. This is a very basic part. You have to must draw it. The darkening the lids is the optional thing, which varies in portrait types. As you can see here, I'm making it again and again darker, so it look more realistic. This is a lower lid, just pretty light with the line. Similar to the eyebrows, the lashes also has a particular direction. Some are curvy, some are straight. Just keep blending all the portion which are pretty light or seems to be darker. Again, I suggest you to use a paper or any kind of sheet under your hand. So this that you see here, the dust of charcoal won't get messed up your whole artwork. These are lower lash line, very thin and small. Here is the veins part, that red colored veins we um, notice. Apply a little bit pressure while drawing like inner side part or the portion which in a dark uh, area. As you can see here, I make it little curvy. Uh, and the upper lips again darker area. Press it pretty harder while you're drawing the portion of lips. Again the corner. Keep blending the lines that you draw in a dark shape or in any kind of dark area. The line should not be darker as a sharp end. As you can see here, I'm again giving a particular direction in a case of rendering for a leaf. I'm doing here a pretty quick rendering. You just go slowly for a basic portion or a small portion. This is a chain area. You just show it slightly, spreading some that slight effect, the lip line. Here you can see I show it only drawing a single line. Blend it again and again till you get. As you can see here, I'm showing the slightly dark effect in a nostril area and also the nose portion, the edge of nose. Erase the excessive portion that get dusty or uh, missed. There are many various basic tools available in market for a charcoal artwork. Uh, I'm using normal eraser. There are pen eraser and other kind of eraser available. I'm comfortable with this one, so I don't think. So here is the half portion of my portrait. Don't use hand to remove the dust of eraser. Please use brush. Using a normal pencil to just give a gray shade. Yeah, these are some charcoal artworks, and some of only for I added facial details. It was my second year project inspired from tribal, African tribal range. I just added this for a pretty reference for facial details and some figures.